Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a critical topic that affects millions of people around the world: insulin resistance. It's a condition that can lead to serious health issues like type 2 diabetes and heart disease. But the good news is, you can take control of your health by making some simple dietary changes. In this video, we'll be sharing 7 foods to avoid if you want to prevent or manage insulin resistance. And we'll explain the mechanisms behind why these foods can be detrimental to your health. Let's get started. But first, subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Number 1 on our list is sugary beverages. These drinks are loaded with added sugars, primarily in the form of high-fructose corn syrup or sucrose. When you consume sugary beverages, especially on an empty stomach, your blood sugar levels spike rapidly. This surge in blood sugar triggers your pancreas to release insulin in an attempt to regulate glucose levels. However, over time, frequent consumption of sugary beverages can lead to insulin resistance. The constant demand for insulin can wear down your insulin-producing cells, making them less effective at regulating blood sugar. This can ultimately lead to higher fasting blood sugar levels and an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. Next up, refined carbohydrates. Foods like white bread, white rice, and sugary cereals are rich in refined carbs. When you consume these processed carbohydrates, they quickly break down into sugar in your digestive system. This causes a rapid and sharp increase in blood sugar levels, similar to what happens with sugary beverages. In response, your pancreas releases insulin to shuttle the excess sugar into your cells for energy. However, consistent consumption of refined carbs can lead to chronically elevated insulin levels, which can eventually result in insulin resistance. To prevent this, opt for whole grains, such as brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread. These complex carbohydrates release sugar more slowly, providing sustained energy and better blood sugar control. Number 3, sweet snacks. Cookies, cakes, candies, and other sugary treats are often high in both sugar and unhealthy fats. When you indulge in these sweet snacks, you're setting the stage for insulin resistance. The combination of sugars and unhealthy fats can lead to weight gain, which is a significant risk factor for insulin resistance. Additionally, the constant influx of sugar from sweet snacks can overload your insulin-producing cells, making them less responsive to glucose regulation. To satisfy your sweet tooth without harming your insulin sensitivity, choose healthier alternatives like fresh fruit, yogurt with berries, or a small piece of dark chocolate. These options provide sweetness while also offering valuable nutrients and fiber that can help stabilize blood sugar. Now, let's talk about processed meats. Items like bacon, sausage, and deli meats are often high in saturated fats and preservatives. While the direct link between processed meats and insulin resistance isn't as clear as with sugary foods, a diet rich in these processed meats can contribute to overall poor health. High saturated fat intake has been associated with insulin resistance and an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. Additionally, the preservatives and additives found in processed meats may have negative effects on insulin sensitivity. To support your overall health and insulin sensitivity, opt for lean protein sources like chicken, turkey, fish, or plant-based options like tofu and legumes. Number 5 on our list is highly processed foods. These include packaged snacks, fast food, and convenience meals. Highly processed foods are typically loaded with unhealthy fats, sugars, and additives. When consumed regularly, they can lead to weight gain and contribute to insulin resistance. The excessive intake of unhealthy fats, particularly trans fats and saturated fats, can interfere with insulin signaling in your cells. Moreover, processed foods are often high in refined carbohydrates and sugars, compounding the problem by causing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. To support insulin sensitivity and overall health, prioritize whole, unprocessed foods like fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains in your diet. Let's not forget about sugar-sweetened cereals. Many breakfast cereals marketed as healthy are actually packed with added sugars. When you start your day with a bowl of sugary cereal, you're setting yourself up for a roller coaster of blood sugar spikes and crashes. This can lead to increased insulin production over time, potentially contributing to insulin resistance. To avoid this, choose unsweetened or minimally sweetened cereal options. You can add fresh fruit or nuts for natural sweetness and added nutrients. This will help stabilize your blood sugar and support better insulin function. Last but not least, we have alcohol. While moderate alcohol consumption can be part of a balanced lifestyle, excessive drinking can lead to insulin resistance. Alcohol can interfere with how your body processes glucose and can contribute to weight gain, which is a known risk factor for insulin resistance. Additionally, alcohol can disrupt the delicate balance of hormones involved in blood sugar regulation. If you choose to consume alcohol, do so in moderation and consider options like red wine, which may have some potential health benefits due to its antioxidant content. And there you have it, folks. 7 foods to avoid if you want to prevent or manage insulin resistance, along with the mechanisms behind why these foods can be detrimental to your health. Remember, making these dietary changes is a proactive step towards better health and well-being. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share this video with others who may benefit from it. And as always, consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice on managing insulin resistance. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.